Assalamu alaikum guys, how are you? I hope you are doing well. Came here after a 2.5 hour drive. This in I think Jubail. So Jufur or Jubail? Well, I don't know. I think because whenever I say I think, he just starts smiling. So no need to take serious. So again there, see Alatul raining, and we guys Alatul driving now, waiting for client here because this location clients send us. So now today we came from for UPV. We perform UPV test Alatul, and then we go. So finally my Mudir trust on me. He gave me one chance for driving, but now he's saying your car in a straight lane, but your car like do this. So I have to just more practice for this. So my Mudir will happy. If Mudir happy, then I will happy. Khalas. So let's see what update for today, because I don't know, after this performing test we have something special, but let's see what happened, because I don't know what is going to be. So see, Alatul, my Mudir enjoy his life. Alatul using phone. Even now we call the client and waiting for him. Alatul, he enjoy. See, the whole way he asking me, are you want to sleep? And he just Alatul use his mobile, listening on Bluetooth, blah blah. Whole day, whole way he asked me, hey, speak. But see, he Alatul keep quiet when I want to speak. See, Alatul using mobile phone. Brother, from where you are?
I'm from Pakistan.
See, Alatul, this type of question, if I ask, he give me answer in like this way. So that's why guys, I told you no need to get married. If you going for marriage, wallah, you guys kharaban. And there is one more, my Mudir, this Sani, I will show you guys. He also after marriage, these both Mudirs wallah kharaban. Only Mahmood left, and after marriage, Mahmood also do like this. So even they forget their nationalities. Wallah mushkila zyada. So see, he just smiling. So we will see what happening, because inside this plant they don't allow us to use mobile phone, take pictures, even to receive call. So let's see what happen. I hope you guys will enjoy. So watch the full video and don't forget to support. So see you inshallah. ओए भाई साहब, सैदगा लेने आया हूँ, पीछे गाड़ी से निकला हूँ, शायद आप लोगों को हवा से अंदाज़ा हो जाए। उफ, क्या ठंड है। वो बोतल जा रही भाई, बोतल संभाल करके पानी शानी भर के गाड़ी में मारना पड़ जाता है भाई, बहुत ठंड है। जा रहे हैं मस्जिद के हल्की हल्की बारिश भी हो रही है। ये देखिए भाई साहब, क्या मौसम है, ठंड का बुरा हाल। अल्लाह करे साइड कर तो देखा लगे रहे फूड ऑफ हो जाएगा। Guys, Alatul raining. Now we are going inside office. But I feel very cold. Okay, you have rice. So guys, I am sorry. I just make little two clips because my Mudir saying, yeah Habibi, close this there when we go for lunch. Wallah, this biryani, mia. I already do breakfast 2 times. Once in my room, then once from company. My sugar already goes high, but then I feel Kalivali, my mood is not okay, just eat. When I see biryani, oof, mia. And now we are in this heater. These guys, client told us, just stay in the car, take a little bit rest after food, then we will call you. So when they need, they call me. Maybe today side impossible. This what I need. See, Alatul, Allahu Akbar. See our mirrors. It's very cold outside. So we're just waiting. I think we just do kida and go home. This what happened. Kalas. So let's see what happened. Then I show you. So now we are following this car. then we will reach our site. But I was thinking, and this my wish, in this winter season we will not do the any task, but anyhow we have to earn risk halal, so we have to do. So now Mudir is driving and now we are going to the site. See, wallah, Mia weather, alhamdulillah for everything. So let's see now what happening. Finally, see, Allah told this guy, you busy in this phone. I wish his wife see this video and she asked from Abdullahi, why you Allah told busy with your friend, girlfriend or whatever. Wallah, my wish. And then next day he asked me, Mukhtar, you didn't do good with this video. Wallah, wallah. So finally we finished the test. We write everything and this. Then now we go to again client's office. Then we take sign and exchange some documents. Then we Allah told go Khubar. But you know, before leaving, I text Abdullahi that today lazam we will put overtime. He don't want to put overtime, but well, I'm very excited. So we will put overtime. Me and food allowance, alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. So after this, from finishing this, maybe they will come. Sorry, I want to show you this our side. This our side. Inside we go. Then we do a tool testing, as you see from this previous videos. So let's we go and see what happened there. Maybe today we go for football if Mudir want. But if Mudir didn't pick me, then what I do? Because I am a laborer. So definitely. So let's see. Now we are waiting for this car when they move. This our client's car. When they move, then we follow them, these guys, and then we'll have to go. So let's see what happened again. So see you, inshallah. So finally guys, everything closed. Now I'm just waiting for Abdullahi when he came back from Masjid. So we just Alatul left. Alatul running here inside. I think it's better मैं इधर इस वाली जगह पे जाके बैठ जाऊँ और ये आके खुद गाड़ी ड्राइव करेगा, तो I think it's better. No need to take risk. He is senior and he has more experience as compared to me. So I think just go this seat. So Alatul, we will enjoy the rain and we just go to the Khubar. It's already just 10 minutes left from office. If we are in office, because this to leave the office time is 4:30. So I think inshallah we will reach within 2.5 hours. So we will put our time. First we drop the device, then we go to our room, blah blah blah. Today wallah Mia weather alhamdulillah. Sorry, when we start the video, then I told you we were in Jubail, but no. Now we are in Tanajib, this Tanajib side. See, automatic.
Which one? This water? Oh. Kodrak? Which one?
Yeah, this Mafi water. This Futura Mafi water. This one for water.
This six.
Yeah, 6-1 for water. This 5-1 for the cold drinks. Now we go for pray near Mata. So this is a masjid. So it's better I put my mobile phone inside. Otherwise my phone kharaban, I think. Yeah, well, let's see. Just go with phone. We go for. This is the, I think 2 hours and 40 minutes. This is the whole distance from our company to this site. But now Alatul we travel I think for 30 minutes, and now this still 2 hours and 25 minutes. Maybe it will take a little time. Now we follow this this Al Jubail road. We will go again. We take turn. So means to say we are getting late, but don't worry. I told you guys before. Obviously, we will put our time today. My Mudir want to go early, wash, and tomorrow Latul sleep. But tomorrow Latul do this work. What work you have?
This area.
This area. Well, this beautiful also.
Spend night here in Al-Yaman.
When you come from SCP?
Yes,
With Adil, yeah. VIP hotel, Mudir's hotel, huh?
yeah. This company money number.
Yeah, definitely. Company will give to this Mudir's only. Wallah, Mia, this beautiful. See, with raining, more beautiful country. So, now we are going Alatul. After 2 hours and 24 minutes, we will reach. Let's see. I hope, inshallah, we will go very safe. Allah, Mia, wal Mia. When we are going for SGP last time, huh? Then you also show us this. Oh, shit. We are very far now. I realize. But why you change this? When we came, we didn't came from this side, huh? You change this or location gave us this
The
way?
location gives us this.
That's why it increased to 3 hours. Okay. But Mia, this it's better. So we see this beautiful view. Wallah, see this beautiful this roundabout. So guys, we will meet again. I will show you more things if there is any interesting thing. So see you for this. Oh, sorry guys, I miss a lot of things. So now finally I reached. I am very hungry, but I have no enough time. I am very tired also. So I just decided to make these noodles, and after this just go to bed. I hope today you guys enjoy, and just support me this request from you guys, those watching me, because these days I never now these days I don't even request from someone to please do this, follow, share, blah blah blah. But if you are watching this video now, that means you guys really want to support me. So please just carry on your support. Inshallah, Allah will do best. So we will meet again.